we're headed in.
Yep.
We're getting our new Oliver this morning. We're pretty excited.
Very excited. It's 12:30 on Thursday, September 2nd.
Yep.
And we just drove in from Paducah, Kentucky. Stayed there overnight and went in for our appointment to pick this thing up.
Here we go. We're a little early. We couldn't wait. Our appointment's not till 1, but we're here about 2 hours early. So they're still in there cleaning things up and have to put on some more of the graphics.
So let's talk about our build sheet and what we chose for our 2021 Legacy Elite Oliver travel trailer, including the exterior design. She did an impressive job putting on our Oliver decals, and we chose to keep it clean and simple with only Oliver logos in gray on gray. None of those swoop designs. For our awning options, we decided to get both the curbside and street side standard power awnings to keep our camper cooler and enjoy the view from either side of the Oliver. We went with the Outdoor Pro package for our Legacy Elite 2, which has the 30-pound propane tanks for longer boondocking options, the front and rear propane quick connects for grilling anywhere, and our portable fire ring from Amazon, plus the aluminum front storage basket where we will keep our generator. The Outdoor Pro package also has the rear bumper receivers so we can hitch up our bicycle carrier, and an additional 30-amp convenience outlet so we can have shore power in the front or the back of the camper. For our power package, we upgraded to the Solar Pro package, which has 4 6-volt AGM batteries, the 340-watt solar panels with charger control, and a 2,000-watt inverter so that we can run 110 while we're on solar. We also opted for the omnidirectional TV and radio antenna so that we could maybe get TV channels while we were boondocking at Walmart. And of course, because this is a 4-season camper, we did opt for the air conditioner.
So we're staying the night in the Oliver Campground. We just picked up our camper. There she is. And it's right outside of the Oliver manufacturing facility in Hohenwald. And it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots. Full hookups. So we'll stay here tonight, double check everything, move in, then head out in the morning. We've got our camper hooked up. We've got water and electric, no sewer. But we've got water and electric. We're in site number 1. We're all hooked up. Stay the night here.
Okay, so let's talk about what's on the inside of our Legacy Elite 2 Oliver travel trailer. So we went the standard floor plan and the desert decor. So that's the alpine fiber granite on all the countertops and accent tables, the step-up barren flooring, and the treehouse upholstery ultra fabric, which is a faux leather, which we thought would be perfect with our dog to keep everything nice and clean. Now, if you choose the mattress with your Oliver travel trailer, you do not get the standard foam seating that can turn your bed into a table with booth seating. So we wanted the option of being able to have dinner back there as well as sleeping back there. So in order to have the best of both worlds, we chose the cushions and decided to get a mattress topper off of Amazon and put it on top of the cushions to be able to make a queen size bed, and it's actually really comfy. I'll link the mattress that we used from Amazon in the description below so you can try it out too. We opted to get the convection microwave oven so that we could cook regular meals in it or even a cake. We also chose to get the cell phone booster, which works really good whenever you're sitting at the dinette table. And then obviously got the frosted doors for all the cabinets.
Good morning. So we stayed in the camper for the first time last night. So exciting. We've got a few things that we're going to have them double check for us, which is why we stayed here at Oliver, the brand new campground. Second night it was open, so we kind of feel like we were breaking it in. There are a couple things, which is so nice that we could stay here so that they can address it and we can drive 19 hours away rather than get home, realize that there were some issues, and then have to drive all the way back or have someone else fix it. You know, we're here, we should let them fix it. They're so nice and they've been very accommodating and addressing anything that we want to have tweaked and fixed, and we added a couple things while we were here and they've been so nice. Very quiet here. We were the only Olivers that stayed last night, and there's 7 campsites. It was so quiet. It was so nice. We just moved in and tried to get things as much settled as we could, and then we'll go hit the road this morning and head back home and take our little Oliver home. So there's quite a few that they have gotten ahead of production. Look at all those. all those new homes waiting for somebody. So there's our little guy. We're really looking forward to taking this little guy all over the place. So bye for now. I'm Kristen. Terry's in there. We're Yumi and the Oliver. We'll see you later.